Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric Candlestick telephone, and this is Vaughn's equipment from California. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, this was probably from the designer line by Western Electric, and you could get this telephone through the phone company, and it is quality made. We just finished up an original Stromberg Carlson Candlestick rotary dial telephone for Vaughn. Now we're finishing up the second Candlestick telephone that he had sent in. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. The rotary dial does not want to return, and so we need to go in and troubleshoot the rotary dial. But while we're working on this telephone, we're going to troubleshoot everything, and the network, the PC board, the hook switch, and the handset cord and the receive. Now we know the transmit is also very low, so we want to take care of the audio for the transmit. We're going to install an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, so you will have plenty of transmit power. The transmitter in this unit is a T1, so it has graphite granules in the transmitter, like out of a 500 set or a 2500 set. We will replace that transmitter with an electronic amplified transmitter. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric rotary dial candlestick telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and our conversion, and so we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electronic hum. I'm going to release it, press it one more time. and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We're going to go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you're getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now we're going to go ahead and dial our numbers out. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to go ahead and transmit. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. Now I'm pretty far back away from this unit, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on it, and it's picking up my audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We'll go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line cord over to a line out, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. Today is Wednesday, May 20th. The current time, 8:10 p.m. and the temperature, 57 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric rotary dial candlestick telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Vaughn and they can enjoy this really cool telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.